Yo everyone, this is Chris and today I am doing the Beautylish Lucky Bag unboxing. I ended up getting the $75 box and it should be filled with $150 worth of products. And this is my third year of doing the Lucky Bag, so let's get to it. The box this year, it's actually smaller than previous years. Here it is. Here is the box. I'm just gonna pick one, whatever comes to mind. I'll get the biggest one right now. Let's do it. Oh, first thing we got here is the Holly Frog Shasta AHA Refining Acid Wash. So is this a body wash? Is this a body wash? Face wash? Massage on damp skin in slow circular motions. So it is a body wash when the pimples are back in town. So it is a face wash. Wait, is this a body and face wash? What is it? Am I missing something? Am I dumb? I don't know if it's a body wash or a face wash. I think it's a face wash, right? Yeah, this is a face wash. It smells like really nothing much. All right, okay, I'm excited to try this. So that is the first product. Is these. All right, the next item, I'm not gonna look. I like being surprised. I always get a good Molecules product and I'm not a fan of them because I've used their products and I saw no difference. This time I ended up getting the discoloration correcting serum from Good Molecules. I'll still use it just to see if it really does something to me, but I feel like their products just don't do nothing for me. Like, they just don't. This is a bottle. I should have done my nails, they're so ugly. And it's sad to say I never see a difference. It's just put it on just to put it on kind of thing. So far it's just skincare. I want makeup. This could be makeup. Oh, I ended up getting a Benefit Roller Lash. This mascara never disappoints. It's funny because I always got these in Ipsy bags and any other like little sample bags, so I always had one laying around, but since I don't subscribe to them anymore, I don't have one, so now I have one. I mean, this is a great product. Let's keep going. Here we go. Next item. I hate lip glosses. So I got a Joair lip gloss, high pigment lip gloss with coconut oil. Coconut oil is always good. All right, I mean, this is okay. I think I have like 2 more items left. I'll do this little one. I don't know what this is. A brush. So this Sonia G brush is amazing. This is worth $33 around there dollars on online. So this is a classic crease brush. These are my favorite, my go-to. Look how nice it is. I used to buy cheap brushes and I realized how amazing high quality brushes are. So always spend a little more on your brushes. Okay, let's see. Oh, I have 2 more items. I'll get this funky one. Is this, what is this? Oh, it is a sponge. Juno & Co. A microfiber lemon drop sponge. Woo. Oh, I really want this item to be like exceeding my expectations. This is the last item. This is the last item. Okay, hopefully it's good. Hopefully it's worth it. Ooh, it's a Tom Ford quad palette. Okay, it was worth it. I don't have Tom Ford. So this Tom Ford palette is worth the cost of the Beautylish bag. This is $88. The Beautylish bag was worth $75 plus whatever shipping. It's basically this and with extra goodies that I ended up getting. This is really exciting. Check it out. I like these colors. I use them every day. So alone these two, $120 for these two, and these are all like added little bonuses if you think about it. A really great deal, even though I got some products that I don't really care for. Basically this hand I don't really care about this hand right here. I care a lot about this hand. This was worth it for the Beautylish box. I'm really excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a like, or don't give me a like. It's okay. It's okay. Do you. Do you. Thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys next time.